Hi all, myself Arpitha, life coach, psychologist and an art therapist. For me, journaling is part of my life. Today I'm going to show you different kinds of journaling books I use and how it is helpful for me. For me, journaling is writing down my thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly. It helps my mental and physical health to keep in track. I have different kinds of journaling book, so I'm going to show you what all I have. This is a gratitude journaling book. I write the gratitude in the morning and also in the night before going to bed for what all I'm grateful for. And this is a daily planner where I write down my to-do list and don't forget, and also water tracker. I have a beautiful journaling book where I write down all my affirmations, important quotes where I can go through whenever I want. This is an executive diary where I write end of the day generally. I write what all I did in the day from morning till evening, how I spent my day, how was my thoughts, how was my feelings, and whenever I want to look back on any of the month, I can just use this. Journaling helps me to improve my sense of gratitude. Journaling helps me to keep a track on my habit. Journaling helps me to achieve my goals. Journaling helps me to declutter my mind. Journaling helps to heal myself. So journaling is healing. To make my journaling book colorful, I have nice stickers and colorful pens and few color pencils and sketch pens. Also, I do have stencils. Every month I use this stencil to begin the month. If you want to learn how to journal, DM me for a one-on-one session. If you want to make your life a memorable one, learn journaling. Thank you.